and welcome to Sadia's vlog. It has been long time that I have made any vlog because in Ramadan the routine is tough. Today I am making these pizza sliders or chicken sliders. For this you need these chopped vegetables. You can take chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum. You can add mushrooms, you can add olives, whatever you want. Then we have cheese and the dough, just the same dough just like the pizza dough I made. If you want to check the recipe, you can check on my channel, in my pizza recipe. This is the chicken marinated in tandoori masala. You can take pizza sauce, or if you don't have pizza sauce you can also use chili garlic sauce, but I will use both of them. So let's start mixing all the ingredients. So finally we have mixed all the ingredients. Okay, now we'll start rolling our dough. I'm kneading it once again so all the air is released. Now I will roll it, but make sure it's in square shape, not in round shape just like the pizza. It should be in square shape just like that. Okay, thickness is according to you, whatever thickness you want, but it should be medium. Now I will pour some chili sauce, that is chili garlic sauce, and some pizza sauce, and I will spread it evenly all over it. So guys, I have spread it all over evenly. Now I will pour the mixture which we have made, okay, all over it. So you have to spread it like this. So guys, it's ready now. I have spreaded it all over the dough. Now if you want you can sprinkle some more cheese. If you want, you like cheese more, some extra cheese you can have. Okay, now we will roll it like this. Okay, so we have to roll it very carefully and we will make just like a big roll. Okay, so that's it, it's done. Now you will cut it in small pieces like this. Okay, you can cut it like this with a knife, with a sharp knife. Now we will keep them upside down like this on a baking tray, and they are ready to go into the oven. The oven is already preheated, so let's wait for the result. Here's the result guys, they look so yummy and delicious. Okay, so if you like the recipe, do like my page, do share it, do subscribe it, and do try this recipe. Take care, bye bye.